Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use filters to customize your search on Sniffies. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to open any of the browser and in the search bar, search for sniffies.com. Let it access your location. Wait for a few seconds. So now you have to look for the filter icon. So basically it is usually located in the top left corner of the map. It will look like a funnel or set of sliders. So you can click here and here you can choose all the filters that you will see here. For example, the first one is age. You can set the minimum and maximum age that you are basically looking for. Then you can click on done. Here you can set the position as well, top, bottom, versatile. It is basically great for compatibility based filtering. You can choose according to your need. The next one is here the endowment, body type, sexuality. You can choose according to your need which you want over here. Body type, basically you can choose you want a slim, fit, muscular, average, chubby. You can choose and then click on done. So these are all the filters which you have here there are different filters as well. You can choose the hosting type, the profile type, which kind of profile you want, the verified one or the newly profiled one. You can choose according to your need. You can enable it. If you want more than one, you can enable two as well. Then after that, once you have set all the filter, you need to click on the apply button that is in orange. Click on apply. So once you have clicked on apply, it has been applied. So this is how you can use the filter option and you can filter your searches on Sniffies. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.